Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing the Aztec clay mask, and I've done this mask before, but I thought, maybe I could record my results for you guys. I have 4C hair and I'm currently transitioning. I've been transitioning for 2 years from permed hair to natural hair, and the thing about it is I didn't do the big chop, so I have so many different curl patterns going on, but whenever I need like moisture and just curl definition, whenever I turn to this right here, this right here will save your life. Like, my curls are crazy, so I thought, why not record my results for you guys. So if you're interested in seeing how I do the Aztec clay on my hair, then keep on watching. Alrighty, so for this mask you're gonna need the Indian Healing clay mask. You're gonna need the apple cider vinegar. I'm running out. This is crazy. You're gonna need, your essential oils. So I like to use black castor oil, and this is optional. You don't even have to add oil, but I like to add oil just for extra moisture. And I have this argan oil right here. I also have this little bowl to mix everything. And then I have a spoon. This is plastic. This isn't metal, by the way. You need to use like a plastic spoon. I also got a fork. And I got a little brush just in case if I want to, mix it up some more. So I'm going to get to mixing, and then I'm going to come back and show you guys how I put it on. So I forgot to mention this before, but what I like to do, since I just took my twist out, which was a protective style that I had in my hair for a little over 8 weeks, I like to wash my scalp, because like all that buildup, I don't want that to just be sitting there. And this is just what works for me. Like, if you don't have to wash your hair before you do it. If you do it that way, then you could just have your handy dandy, because you're gonna need it anyway. Like, you're gonna need a spray bottle to just help work the product through. So I have my Aztec clay right here. I mixed it up. I might need to make more because I have a lot of hair, but I'm gonna start now. Alright, so what I'm going to do right now is just work the product through my hair. I just like to keep it simple and just put the top part up. If you're doing this, you might want to use like a shirt that you don't really care about, because you're going to get the clay on it. right now I'm just waiting for my hair to dry. I'm just feeling my curls and everything's looking right. I'm even dancing, y'all. Dancing. So yeah, you guys, this is, you know, what I normally do, my little clay mask to condition. I just put my hair in a little half up, half down do right now. But I might have to go back and re-rinse out, like re-wash it and just rinse out whatever I think I have left in there. But overall, this was like a process. Like, wash day for natural haired girls is not easy. It's always a process. But as you guys can see, I don't know if you guys can really see my curl pattern, but that's the curly hair that I have. I have so many different textures, it's crazy. So that concludes my video, you guys. Using the Aztec clay again was a success. I feel the softness already. If you guys like this video and would like to see more, then give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.